If your clients ask you to guarantee results, just run away. While guaranteeing results to clients may seem appealing at first glance, there are a lot of reasons why it is generally not advisable to do so. And here is what I feel about it. The first reason that I feel is result complexity. So many factors can influence the result of a project, and some of which may be beyond your control. So guaranteeing results assumes that you have complete mastery over all the result oriented factors, which is often unrealistic and seems like an immature commitment. Next of all, individual differences. Clients' needs, preferences, and circumstances can vary greatly. So, what might be considered a successful outcome for one client may not be the same for another. So, this is one of the big reasons why you should always avoid guaranteeing outcomes. Next of all, black hat freelancing. So, guaranteeing results can potentially lead to unethical practices, and it may tempt service providers like you to make false promises or cut corners to fulfill your guarantee. Right? So, maintaining transparency and ethical standards is crucial for building trust and long term client relationships. Next of all, unexpected challenges. So projects often encounter unexpected obstacles or complications that can impact the desired results. And these challenges can arise during the implementation phase or due to changing business plans. So guaranteeing outcomes could put you in a difficult position if unexpected challenges arise, which often end up having unsatisfied clients. Last but not the least, unrealistic expectations. So, guaranteeing results can create unrealistic expectations and put undue pressure on both the client and the freelancer. So, if the promised outcomes are not achieved, it can lead to disappointment, strained relationship, or even legal disputes as well. So setting realistic goals and managing expectations based on the nature of the project is generally a more recommended approach. So instead of guaranteeing results, it is more effective to focus on offering high quality services, clear communication, and establishing realistic expectations with your client. And by demonstrating expertise, delivering value and maintaining a strong track record, you can build trust and credibility, which are essentially important for long term client satisfaction. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.